We're going to cover preventative maintenance or programs. So we're going to use a project record for this as well. Can you see I've got start date, end date, and I also have the type here, which defines the frequency. And when you've got those three figures, you get a program of works. These are all the visits that will be scheduled based upon those factors. So if we manipulate this a bit, if we change the year, what if we add an extra year to this PM contract? Can you see I changed it to 2025? And look, the system is going to generate 2 more visits. All I have to do is hit save. No more typing. That's pretty easy, isn't it? What if I change the frequency to monthly? Look at all those visits. You set it up once, and the system will create them for you. This is another multiplier of your time because you don't have to enter them all manually anymore. The other scenario I'm going to cover here is installation. Now, if it's a simple 1 hour, 1 day installation, we're going to create a job for 1 day. But what if we have a longer term project, right? So if something takes a week or a month or a year, we need to be able to represent that inside NetSuite using a project with project tasks. So this is an extra module inside NetSuite, but it provides that ability to track these longer term installations. And I've opened up the schedule. So these are all of the jobs. Actually, we've got milestones and project tasks all in line here. This shows you the critical path for your project. We can drag and drop them on the schedule board.